good morning, my people. It is still me, Associate Peters. I'm just arriving in Enugu right now, and with me in this car are very important personalities, stakeholders of PRM, People's Restoration Movement. Like I published my last video concerning the case by a Biafran lawyer, some of them decided to join me to witness that case in the court, and there are other issues.
Barrister, introduce yourself to our viewers out there and why we are in Federal High Court in Enugu today.
Thank you. I'm Barrister Emeka Adolf I'm the lead counsel for the case between Biafra and Nigeria. That's why we're here today at the Federal High Court Enugu.
Today's sitting, how did it go? We want to know what's the outcome of today's sitting.
Today's sitting was wonderful, very, very good. Our prayer was granted. Actually, today is a preliminary matter because it is for service out of jurisdiction as well as substituted service. The parties to the case, the defendants, live outside Enugu. Defendants, some live in the west, some live in the north. So we needed the order of the court to serve out of jurisdiction as well as by substituted service, that is using DHL courier service or any other courier service, so that it will be easier to serve the defendants. So the court granted our prayer for today, but we are coming back. Today is not the final day. Today is just ex parte motion for service out of jurisdiction and to serve by substituted means. So we succeeded today.
All right. Okay, that's a one win. Can you please, we the laymen out there, want to understand the introduction of the case? Who are in this case, and when it's being called up, I was hearing this/that and this/this. I don't understand it. Can you repeat that so that our audience will know exactly what it is all about?
All right. Thank you. The case is a case between IPOB, trading as Customary Government of Indigenous People of Biafra, and for the defendants, namely the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Attorney General of the Federation, General Yakubu Gowon, and General Olusegun Obasanjo. These are 4 defendants. The applicant, that's the plaintiff, the claimant, is IPOB under the elders. That's IPOB Customary Government. That is the plaintiff. So it's like a government versus government. This is Customary Government of the elders, IPOB, trading as Customary Government of Indigenous People of Biafra, versus Federal Republic of Nigeria, Attorney General of the Federation, General Yakubu Gowon, and General Olusegun Obasanjo. It is government versus government, though our own is Customary Government.
Before you've addressed this very question, but I want to throw it up again because the video we published last time about the interview I had with you when you introduced this case and the bundle of the case, a lot of people are optimistic about this case, but their fear is, will this court grant them justice? So how optimistic are you, and what assurance are you giving them?
Well, I have seen the judge. The judge today, I'm happy with the way he conducts matters. I think we are optimistic that we shall have justice. However, in any case where there are 2 parties in a case, one will lose and one will win. If one loses, he can appeal until the last stage of the appeal. I believe that we shall succeed because the judge has granted us, in fact, he has assumed jurisdiction for now, but he said that we should come next to address on some issues of jurisdiction like territorial and the rightfulness of this action. He said we should address him holistically on this case between Biafra and Nigeria. And we were ready. In fact, when he mentioned it, I said, I'm even ready to address him right there. But it's necessary that the defendants should bring their lawyers and let us now address the issues holistically. There must be a way to resolve the issue between Biafra and Nigeria. We cannot sweep it under the carpet. We must address the issues.
All right. Okay, thank you very much. Your lawyer, your partner lawyer here, I don't know if he has any input to this.
Yes, please.
Yes, my name is Customary Government. The lead counsel has said everything. I think the major work will be on the next adjournment, where we address the court on issue of jurisdiction and issue the rightfulness or wrongfulness of the suit. So we are expecting that on that day, after the defendants have been served, their counsel should be here to either accede to what we are saying or to oppose it. Then we'll lay down our arsenal on the table. Then the judge can look at it and make one decision one way or the other.
Thank you so much. Let's talk to one or two elders. Hello, sir. I can see the elders of Biafra. Some of them are here, and someone that I believe that stood in court representing the elders of indigenous people of Biafra. Let's hear from him and know what he has to say. Sir, can you tell us your name and why you are in court today?
Thank you. My name is Major General Onwebuna, retired. See, from what happened today, I am sincerely and honestly expecting judgment, because what the judge, the proceedings for today was satisfactory. It shows that the judge is real a justice man. So we are optimistic that by 2nd October, that something better will happen.
Okay, you are happy and optimistic that you're going to get justice. Biafra people get justice.
Yes.
If you don't get justice, what other things do you think?
Well, we continue. We continue.
Okay, sir. I know. Why they are taking a swing Nigerian government? Okay. All right. Okay. I want to ask you, as a you say you're a retired general. Is it from the Nigerian army or from the Biafran army?
Biafran general.
Now, you're a Biafran general. Why did you decide to sue for this case? Why did you think you want to sue for this case, or why you sue?
All right. There's nothing else than freedom. We want to have our freedom because we are being suppressed by any means and in all ramifications as welfare is concerned.
This is me, Associate Peters. I'm reporting right at the Federal High Court, Enugu. This morning, today, the Biafran people have taken their case. They've brought their case right here for hearing. The suit filed by the elders of indigenous people of Biafra, and they are requesting and praying the court for justice, for self-determination, for referendum, and all their rights as indigenous people of Biafra. BVI Channel 1 is right here to get the outcome of the proceeding and how the court will go. And that we are brought to you from the lawyers who have just spoken to us. And you've heard it from him. And you've heard the case bundle from the previous video I made. Now it is left for you out there to judge for yourself and drop your submission on the comment column on whether or not you think this process will see the light of the day, and what other way and option is available for the indigenous people of Biafra to pursue their right to self-determination. BVI Channel 1 is reporting from Enugu. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing, keep liking and sharing our content, as we will always do justice to give you unbiased, without propaganda, reports as it is happening. Right here, we see it, we say it. And this platform is to give the ordinary people, the oppressed people of Biafra, a voice. Signing out, Associate Peters, reporting for BVI Channel 1.